Welcome our new video. First, Fran Lollipop Twin Lozenge. So nice color of twin lozenge. Wow, so nice color twin. Pink color, yummy taste. Body chocolate, chocolate and wafer. Chocolate wafer. So nice color of bud. Wow. So nice color. Body chocolate. Fun toy with fungi chocolate. Wow, so delicious color and tasty. M&A chocolate, chocolate tea chocolate. So nice color of choco bean.